everyone, welcome back to Niece's Custom. Today we're going to be doing a tie-dye sublimation shirt. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'll love to have you here. Like I say, I'm not an expert and we're learning this thing together. At the end of this video, can you go ahead and hit that like button and the share button. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss none of my videos. Okay, let's go ahead and begin. Okay, we're back. You're going to need your shirt that you're going to do your tie-dye sublimation on, your 2 images, your heat tape, your Teflon sheet, and also, you know, the butcher paper on top of your heat press. So this right here is going to be my niece's shirt. So she want a Juneteenth shirt. So what I do, I just put the arms out, the sleeves out like that. And since I don't want nothing to be pressed in the middle, I'll just fold it in like that. The ends of it, I fold it in like that. And I just bunch it up like this. Okay. And I take my image. I don't need all of it, so I'm gonna cut it down. So I'm gonna just cut like half of it right there because I don't need all of it. I should have printed on a 8.5 by 11, but I didn't. I did a 13 by 19. So I'm gonna just put it down like that. Make sure you put heat tape so it can stay down. I'm gonna take my Teflon sheet, put it on top of it, and I'm gonna press this at 400 degrees for 60 seconds. Okay, once that's done, just remove your Teflon sheet and that image. Remember, it's going to be hot. And you want to take it off. And it's going to look like that. I don't know if you can see it or not. This shirt is like really hot. Believe it or not, y'all, I'm gonna get my heat gloves because this shirt is hot. Burning my little fingers. Okay, turn the camera around. So it's gonna look like that. Okay. Once you you press that. Now I'm gonna put my image on. And my image is gonna sit right in the middle, like that. I'm gonna have to lower it down a little bit. Get me some more butcher paper. Set that on top of that image. And my Teflon sheet. Press that at 400 degrees for 60 seconds. I'm going to press it down a little bit more because the last time I did this, my image didn't quite it quite didn't come out how I wanted. So I'm gonna just press it for another few seconds. Okay. And that is it. Just smooth everything. And this is my tie-dye sublimation shirt. It's easy to do. Anybody can do it. I think it came out pretty good. Okay. That was my tie-dye sublimation shirt, Juneteenth shirt. Make sure you comment down below if you have any questions. Like this video, share this video, and please subscribe to my channel, because I'm not an expert and I'm not a pro. I'm just learning the same way that you're learning. So, that being said, God loves you and I love you too. Peace.